Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation in Miami Beach. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends visiting Miami Beach for the first time. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a question for you today. These days, many people are watching my videos. Thank you so much. So this time, I want to know about you. The answer is not in the video. I want to hear from you. So here is today's question. What do you enjoy doing? What is something fun for you? Please write your answer in English in the comments below. Even 1 or 2 words is okay. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Ellie. Look at the sky. It is so blue today.
Good morning, Sam. Wow, the sun is really bright. I love this place already.
Welcome to Miami Beach. This is our first day here. Are you ready to walk a lot?
Yes, I am ready. But where should we go first? Do you have a plan?
Yes, I have a plan. Look at this map. Our hotel is right here in South Beach.
South Beach. I have heard that name before. Is it famous?
Yes, it is very famous. And the best part is, everything is walking distance.
Walking distance? So we do not need a car or a bus today?
That is right. We can walk to the beach, the shops, and the restaurants.
That is great. I love walking in a new city. Look at those palm trees.
They are everywhere here. Tall, green, and beautiful.
It feels so warm and sunny. New York is much colder right now.
Yes, that is why people come to Miami in winter.
Sam, listen. I hear people talking, but it is not English. What language is that?
Yes, you can hear it. You will hear it a lot here. I will tell you later, okay?
Okay, I will wait. So what is our first stop?
First, let's go and rent some beach things. Then we can go to the beach.
Good idea. We need an umbrella and some chairs.
Right. And later, I want to show you something special in South Beach.
Special? What is it?
There are very famous old buildings here. People come from all over the world to see them.
Really? I want to see them too. But first, the beach.
Yes, first the beach. Let's go.
Hi, good morning. I want to rent some beach things, please.
Good morning. Sure, no problem. What do you need today?
I need 1 beach umbrella, 2 beach chairs, and some sunscreen.
Okay. The umbrella is $25 for 1 day.
$25. Okay, that is fine.
The beach chair is $15 each, so 2 chairs are $30.
2 chairs, $30. Got it.
And the sunscreen is $10. Do you want it?
Yes, please. We need it. The sun is very strong today.
You are right. The sun is very strong here in Miami. Where are you from?
We are from New York.
New York. The sun in Miami is much stronger than New York.
Oh, really? I did not know that.
Yes, so you need SPF 50, not 30, not 15, SPF 50.
SPF 50. Okay, why so high?
Because the sun here can burn your skin in 20 minutes. SPF 50 keeps you safe.
20 minutes? That is fast.
Yes, very fast, so please use it many times today.
Okay, I will. So the total is 25 plus 30 plus 10. That is 65.
Yes, $65 plus tax, so the total is $70.
Oh, okay. $70 total. That is fine.
How would you like to pay? Card or cash?
Card, please.
Okay, please put your card here. Thank you. All done.
Great. Where is the beach from here?
Just go that way. 2 minutes walking. Have a great day.
Thank you so much. Oh, one more question. What time do we bring the things back?
Before 6 in the evening, please. We close at 6.
6 in the evening. Got it. We will come back before then.
Great. Enjoy the beach.
Okay, let's put the umbrella here. The sand is so soft.
Yes, very soft. And look at the ocean. The water is blue and green.
It is beautiful. Listen to the waves. So peaceful.
I love it. Okay, sit down. Let me put sunscreen on your back.
Thank you. The man at the rental said we need SPF 50.
Yes, he said the sun is very strong here. We can burn in 20 minutes.
Wow, that is fast. Okay, my turn. Let me put some on your back, too.
Thank you, Sam. Now we are safe.
Hey, Ellie, look at the lifeguard over there.
Yes, I see him. He is sitting in the tall chair. What about him?
Look at his flag. The flag is yellow today.
Yellow. What does yellow mean?
Yellow means be careful. The waves can be a little strong.
Oh, I see. So what about other colors?
Green means safe. You can swim with no problem.
And red?
Red means dangerous. Do not go in the water when the flag is red.
Okay, that is easy to remember. Green, yellow, red.
Yes, like a traffic light.
So today we should be careful in the water.
Yes, we can put our feet in, but not swim too far.
Sam, listen again. I hear people speaking that language again, the same one as this morning.
Yes, you hear it everywhere here.
Why? Can you tell me now?
Soon, we are going to a Cuban restaurant for lunch. I will tell you there.
Cuban food. I am hungry already.
Me too. Let's enjoy the beach for a little more time, then go eat. Okay, Ellie, now I want to show you the special thing.
Yes, the famous buildings, right?
That is right. Look around us. We're on Ocean Drive now.
Oh, wow. Look at all these buildings. They are so cute and colorful.
Yes, this style is called Art Deco.
Art Deco. I have heard that name. What is it?
It is a style from the 1930s and 1940s. Very old, but still beautiful.
1930s? That is almost 100 years ago.
Yes, look at the colors. Pink, blue, yellow. They are pastel colors.
Pastel colors. So soft and pretty, not too bright.
And look at the corners of the buildings. They are not sharp, they are round.
Yes, I see. Round corners. That looks nice.
Art Deco buildings have many of these round shapes.
How many of these buildings are here?
Miami Beach has more than 800 Art Deco buildings.
800? That is a lot.
Yes, it has the most Art Deco buildings in the world.
That is cool. So this is a very special place.
It is. People come here just to see these buildings.
I can see why. It feels like an old movie.
Yes, very much.
Sam, what about at night? Do these buildings look different?
Oh yes, very different. At night, they have neon lights.
Neon lights? What colors?
Pink, blue, green. The buildings look very bright.
Wow, I want to see that.
We will. Let's come back here in the evening after dinner.
Yes, that is a great plan. Let's go eat now.
Hola, welcome to our restaurant.
Hi, thank you.
Table for two?
Yes, please. For me and my friend.
Right this way. Here is the menu.
Thank you. We would like 2 Cuban sandwiches, please.
2 Cuban sandwiches. Good choice. Anything to drink?
Yes, 2 café con leche, please.
2 café con leche. Do you know what that means?
I think it is coffee, right?
Yes, café con leche means coffee with milk in Spanish.
Coffee with milk. That sounds nice.
It is very popular here. Many people drink it every morning.
Maria, can I ask you a question?
Of course.
Many people here speak Spanish. I hear it everywhere. Why?
That is a good question. Many Cuban families live in Miami.
Cuban families? From the country Cuba?
Yes, Cuba is an island. It is very close to Miami, only 90 miles away.
Only 90 miles. That is close.
Many years ago, many families came from Cuba to Miami. My family came too.
Wow, your family too?
Yes, so now many people here speak Spanish at home.
I understand now. Thank you for telling me.
You are welcome. Now let me tell you about the Cuban sandwich.
Yes, please. What is in it?
It has pork, ham, cheese, and pickles.
Pork, ham, cheese, and pickles. Sounds good.
It is called pressed. We make it hot and flat in a special machine.
Pressed, like a hot, flat sandwich.
Yes, exactly. The cheese gets soft and the bread gets a little crisp.
That sounds really good. I cannot wait to try it.
Many people say it is the best sandwich in Miami.
I believe it. Thank you for telling me about your family, too.
You are welcome. We love telling new people about our family.
I am glad I came here today.
I will bring your food soon. Please wait a few minutes.
Thank you, Maria. Ellie, look. Look at the buildings now.
Oh, wow. The neon lights are on.
Yes, just like I told you. Now you can see the colors.
Pink lights, blue lights, green lights. It is so beautiful.
The buildings look different at night, right?
Very different. In the day, they look soft and old. At night, they look so bright and busy.
That is a good way to say it.
Look at all the people. The street is so busy now.
Yes, this is the best time to come to Ocean Drive.
Look at that restaurant. People are eating outside.
Yes, many restaurants here have tables outside on the street.
I can hear music too. Is that Spanish music?
Yes, I think so. After my talk with Maria, I understand more now.
Me too. So many Cuban families live here, and the music shows it.
Look at the palm trees in the evening sky.
Oh, the palm trees look like dark shapes in front of the sunset.
Yes, the sunset is almost over. The sky is pink and orange.
This is amazing, Sam. This is so different from New York.
Yeah, it is. New York is fast and tall. Miami is slow and warm.
Yes, Miami feels like another country.
I know. The food, the language, the music, the buildings, everything feels new.
I love this. Let's just walk slowly and look at everything.
Good idea. We have all evening.
Look, more lights are turning on now.
It gets brighter and brighter. So pretty.
I will remember this evening for a long time.
Me too. I will remember this for a long time too.
Yes, I am so happy we came to Miami Beach. Ugh, my feet hurt. We walked so much today.
I know. I think we walked 10 miles.
10 miles? No way! But it feels like it.
Okay, maybe not 10 miles, but a lot.
Sit down. Let me sit down too. The bed feels so good.
Yes, the bed is the best thing right now.
But Sam, today was a great day. We saw so much.
Yes, it was a great first day in Miami.
Let me think. What did we see? First, the beach.
Yes, and we used SPF 50 because the sun was strong.
Right. And we learned the flag colors: yellow, red, green.
Yes, yellow means careful, red means dangerous, green means safe.
Then we walked on Ocean Drive and saw the Art Deco buildings.
With all the pastel colors and round corners.
And the neon lights at night were so beautiful.
Yes, that was my favorite part.
And lunch. The Cuban sandwich was so good.
Pork, ham, cheese, and pickles, pressed and hot.
And we learned why so many people speak Spanish here.
Yes, because many Cuban families came to Miami long ago.
That was so interesting. I learned a lot today.
Me too. Tomorrow, what do you want to do?
Tomorrow, let's wake up early and go to the beach again.
Yes, early in the morning is the best time.
And maybe we can walk on the sand before it gets too hot.
Good idea. And let's try café con leche for breakfast.
Yes, coffee with milk, the Cuban way.
Now you sound like a Miami local.
Maybe a little. Okay, good night, Sam.
Good night, Ellie. See you in the morning.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What do you enjoy doing? What is something fun for you? For me, I enjoy morning walks and going to the gym. What about you? Please write your answer in English in the comments below. Even 1 or 2 words is okay. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoy these videos and would like to support the channel, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.